Hi folks, I just want to quickly show you how to next upload your video using your SGSU account. So for this example, what I did was I just made a quick video describing what a literature review is. I used a PowerPoint presentation that I have in my Google Drive. I went to present. And then I used Snagit and started a recording of me talking, and I just walked them through a couple slides of this presentation describing what a literature review is. So I already then edited out cut out the early stuff and the end stuff where I was just setting things up and wrapping things up, and then I have this file. So I'm going to show you what to do next. You might not know this, or maybe you already do, but because we at SGSU use the Google Suite of apps, you already have a YouTube account connected to your SGSU EDU account. Click on your 9-dot menu. This is just one way to get there, and you'll be able to scroll down and see YouTube, or if you want that in your main thing, your main list of apps, you can just drag it there. So if you click on YouTube, in a perfect world, what it should do is connect you directly to your SGSU YouTube account. Double check though, and this is something that Lauren wrote in the guide. Look at this icon and make sure it is your SGSU icon. Okay. Sometimes for me it defaults to my personal Gmail account, and I know because I have a different icon there. But if you can click on that icon, and it actually kind of shows you if you were in a different account. Like I said, sometimes I'm in my like PS4 account. You'll be able to just switch them by clicking on it. But this one did bring me right to my SGSU account. There's a couple different ways to do this, and it always changes because YouTube is constantly like updating their interface and whatnot. But the thing is, you can create your own channel. I think when I set up my account, a channel was already created, but channel just means the videos that you uploaded. And if your channel is public, people can click on your name and see all the videos that you upload. And these are just some ones that I've done for SGSU. The way to create a video or post, you'll click on the little plus camera video and then upload a video. So I have that literature review file on my desktop. It's that MP4. Click OK. It's going. All right. So you have 3 pages here. Make sure you put in a title. If you want to put in a quick description, you can. Learn what a literature review is all about. Okay, just keep it short. You don't have to write a paragraph there or anything. Another thing that you can put there in your videos is your contact information. If you need more help, email me at baron.becker@sgsu.edu. So that's very helpful. Also, maybe put in your LibGuide link, that kind of thing. You have the option of picking a thumbnail. That's what you want the screen to look like. When the first image people see when your screen is loaded. So that's fine. Playlist. If you create more videos in a series, you can create a playlist and connect all those videos to that. YouTube, now you have to say no, it's not made for kids. Do not you put paid promotions. You're not doing that. I'm going to show you whenever you upload a video, it's going to automatically do a captioning for you. So just kind of leave that. You don't have to put date and location. I always allow embedding because that's going to be allow the video to be put into a LibGuide, and if I shared this with a professor, they could put it in Canvas. So make sure allow embedding is available. Go ahead and publish it to subscription feed and notify subscribers. That's if people are subscribed to your thing. I usually leave that off because these kinds of videos, not everyone needs an alert about this. I turn off comments. It's just safer to do, just kind of like best practice. So just make sure you disable comments. It's really probably a good idea. Okay. Next, video elements. If you wanted to add a intro screen, and you can do that using this. I don't want to Um, I'm, Again, this end screen, excuse me, is for, I called it an intro, I meant an end screen. It's if you want to promote other videos, you'll see that in those other people who are like selling things, or people who are in like a series of, watch this next video. You can do that there if you wanted to do that. I really don't mess with that at this basic level. Here, the next screen after you click next is visibility. If you don't put it on private, that means you have to manually select who can view your video. The two best options are public, everyone can see it, or unlisted. Only people with the video link or where it's embedded can see your video. That means people won't be able to search your name and find your videos. It can only be found if you have it embedded like in a LibGuide or you share the video. I use unlisted when I make videos for directly for a specific student. Like I get a complicated email question, I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to write this out. What I'll do is just create an unlisted video and then send the student the link where I just talk to them and walk them through the steps instead of writing everything out. Okay. Kids don't appear in this video. You have to just make sure that now because of YouTube requirements, and then click save. So depending on the length of your video, this can take quite a few minutes, or again, this one was just a quick 1 minute one. And you'll be able to view your video here by clicking on that link, or if you go back to your videos page, these are all the videos I have listed. Now, that's the video I just made. If you need to quickly change the publishing style for this, private or public, you can do that just by clicking on this drop down menu. You can then click on this. You'll get to all these other options for, it's basically the same thing that was on those other cards when you uploaded the video, if you just want to go back and change those things, right? Clicking on the icon itself, the video itself, will kind of show you all these different steps, okay? And that's just the basics of uploading. It took just a minute because this is just a quick video, but I just kind of wanted to show you that workflow.